Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power to the pump and alarm at the breaker. This prevents shocks and false triggers. Once done, isolate or slightly drain the tank so you can safely access the alarm assembly and float switch. Make sure to wear gloves and lay down towels to catch drips. Grab a multimeter and basic tools and confirm you have a replacement float switch or sensors. Doing these first saves time and prevents mistakes while you inspect wiring and mechanical parts. You now inspect the float and sensor housing for rust, cracks, or trapped debris that blocks motion. Next, use your multimeter to verify there's 1224V at the alarm module and test continuity through the float switch while you move it. This shows whether the switch mechanically closes. Clean corroded terminals with a brush and contact cleaner, then apply silicone grease to protect contacts. Make sure to reseat connectors firmly. If the float sticks, free it or replace it before repowering the system. You replace a failed float or sensor following manufacturer orientation and secure mounting. Incorrect position causes false alarms. Once the new part is in, recheck the supply voltage and adjust the alarm sensitivity or float position so the trigger point matches tank levels. Restore power and watch the system cycle for 10-15 minutes while you test with controlled level changes. If the alarm stays on or chattering occurs, verify wiring polarity and grounding. Intermittent connections are the most common failure point and often fix the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.